Hope everyone is fantastic despite what is happening in the markets. So yeah, welcome to LSG Crypto, and thank you very much for tuning in. So without any further ado, today we will be discussing, or I can say that today we will be looking at BTC to see any crucial levels where BTC might continue being bearish or continue being bullish. So the chart can be able to give us an indication if we can continue being bullish or continue being bearish. But also bear in mind that the chart is not the alpha and everything. So we use charts so that we analyze the market just to see probable directions that the market can be able to take. So yeah, without any further ado, so I also wanted to confirm here. So on the 8th, I did post this pic, just showcasing what BTC might do in the weeks. Yeah, so I was showcasing this particular uptrend, but also today we will be looking at that particular uptrend as well. So yeah, on the 8th, that's what was posted to the team as well, just so that we can look at this weekly chart, so that we everything that is happening in the market. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly just take a look at the charts. So yeah, so what we have here is we have BTC, the weekly chart. So this is the trend we talked about on the 8th of January. This is the uptrend. So that's the one that we will be looking at it today. So mainly in regards to this particular chart, we have here an uptrend. So this uptrend started on the 5th of October 2020. So that's when this particular trend started. So price also came here as well on the 19th of July 2021. But this particular test is the one that gave us the all-time high. So I would say that this trend is has some sort of power in regard to the whole BTC market. So it's something that is not to be taken lightly. So let's go deeper just to see those crucial levels and see exactly how the market can be able to pan out. So yeah, what we're doing now is that, as I said, that this trend started in October and it's still going. So our thesis is that we're looking at this trend and then also the critical levels as well. So the critical levels that we have, which is support levels, support and resistance levels, those are 40K 571 or 39K 803. So is the one that we're currently looking at, and as you can see is currently still holding on a weekly basis. Bear in mind with the weekly chart as well. So this particular level is still holding as well. So what we can see is that we can be able to confirmation that I can be able to see if, let's say, maybe we were to go bearish, would be a break below this level. And then once we break below this level, maybe we do a retest. And then once we do a retest, then we next estimate would be this 32k level. So that is the bearish scenario. But because we haven't broken out of this multi-trend, we can't say it's a bearish scenario, because I know we've been dropping from the high. But technically the chart is still giving us bullish signs, and also it's giving us those bullish signs on a weekly chart as well. So the longer the chart, the effective it is, unlike a 1 hour chart for short-term trading. A weekly chart is more effective because it takes time to pan out as well. So yeah, so as I talked about, this trend is the one that I'm looking at, and we're currently testing that trend as well. And this 40k 500 level, we also testing that as well. So that's the current levels that I'm currently looking at. But let's go deeper just to see in terms of the daily chart. what exactly is happening with regards to the daily. So the daily as well, what I do is I use it as well to give me a sense on a daily basis just to see exactly what is happening. Because I think most people, when they see a red candle, they tend to be automatically be bearish. When they see a green candle, then they jump and be bullish as well. So the daily chart, it helps me to analyze and see if we're playing around this level, then this might happen. So as you can see here, in terms of the daily, we do have a lot of buying pressure here because on this past 4 days, or we can add this candle as well, let's say 5 days, price hasn't closed above this particular level. So we touch and then go up, we touch and then go up, we touch and then go up. So mainly that shows you that this level, it's not as simple as maybe this level. This level we slice through here and then we retest it and then we short it back down. So I can say that this particular level is still holding and it's the current level that I'm looking at in terms of the daily chart as well. So yeah, that was levels that I was looking at. So I would say that in terms of the important prices, in terms of looking at buys currently would be the 40K 50, 39, 800. Those are the levels. And then targets will be 46K. Next target will be, so the first target will be 46K, and then the next target will be 42K. So those are the current levels of targets that I'm looking at. Yeah, but if you're still with me now, thank you very much for watching. Do remember this is not financial advice, so do use your own discretion as well. Just to so we're just giving you a analyzing just to see exactly what the market is doing. We're not advising you to buy or sell or anything like that. So yeah. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Do remember to hit that like and subscribe button so that we continue to give you this amazing content as well and daily analysis. We will be doing this on a daily basis, just looking at BTC, and also we'll be including new projects as well, new coins, new altcoins as well. We will analyze different markets as well. So that it can help you to see where the market might go. So it's not that we're giving you a definite answer to say bullish or bearish, nothing like that. So we will just together looking at the market so that it gives us an idea of what might happen, and also research on new projects as well. So we're trying to build something bigger, just to help out people that didn't have the opportunity or don't understand as to how the crypto market works. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. So going back to the daily charts, I do have something that caught my eye. So this particular downtrend here, it caught my eye. So yeah, it's something that I'm looking at currently because it's been a downtrend and it hasn't attempted to go above this particular trend line. So the direction that I'm looking at, or the confirmation that I'm looking at, is right above this trend line. So I think we can just play around this level, play around this level, play around this level, and then from there we can break out this trend line and then retest and then go up. So that's the particular level that I'm looking at currently in terms of that downtrend, so that it gives me confirmation that we are indeed bullish or bearish. So if you break under this trend line, these levels as well, close underneath there, then I would say definitely that we are bearish. So yeah, those are the possible moves that we're looking at LSU Crypto. So LSU Crypto is a community that we're starting out to teach people about different projects as well, and also analyzing the market as well. So it would be good if we come together and then go into the markets together. Yeah, I'd like to thank you very much as well. So yeah, that I think that can be it. Today. So I would say that moving forward, there's no need to panic or if you enter too late, because BTC has been around for a while. So I think you can just, if you entered, then you would need to hold, because as you know that BTC is an asset and it does go in value. So the last time we hit 20K all-time high, so we always hit the all-time high. So I think people saying that we bearish when they see red candles or a downtrend, that happens in markets, and markets do turn at a snap of a finger. So I think there's no need to panic. We just need to analyze and then keep our cool, look at new projects, look at the crypto space is so innovative. That there's new projects that are coming in, there's new altcoins as well. So there's ample ways to make money to trade in the crypto space. But yeah, without further ado, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button as well for more exclusive content and analysis as well. We will be doing this every day. We'll push to do it every day so that we open chats. On the next video, what we'll do is that we'll look at BTC, Ethereum as well, and the other altcoins as well. We'll just move through them so that we see exactly what could happen on those particular coins. Yeah, thank you very much. See you next time. Cheers.